Hey there, super parents. Are you tired of expensive store-bought baby food that's packed with preservatives? What if I told you that you can make fresh, nutritious, homemade baby food in just 5 minutes, for a fraction of the cost? That's right. Today, we're diving into the NutriBullet Baby Blender, the ultimate kitchen sidekick for busy parents. We'll cover how to use it, the best baby food recipes, storage hacks, and more. So grab your blender and let's get started. First, why should you choose the NutriBullet Baby Blender? Here's the scoop. Blends in seconds, ultra-smooth purees for stage 1, 6 to 8 months, to chunkier blends for toddlers, 1+ years. Meal prep magic, make a week's worth of food in one go. Easy storage, comes with 6 date-dial storage cups and a silicone freezer tray, no more mystery leftovers. Dishwasher-safe, because who has time for hand washing? BPA-free and non-toxic, safe for your little one. And the best part? You control exactly what goes into your baby's food. No hidden sugars or additives. Alright, let's make some baby food. Here's how it works. Step 1. Choose your ingredients. Fresh fruits, veggies, protein / Pick nutrient-packed foods like bananas, sweet potatoes, peas, or even cooked chicken. Step 2. Prep and load. Peeling and steaming apples. For harder foods like carrots or apples, steam or boil first for easier blending. For big batches, use the 32-ounce bowl. For single servings, the 12-ounce cup works great. For stage 1, super smooth. Blend 30 to 45 seconds, pulse a few times. Pro tip: add a splash of breast milk, formula, or water for a smoother blend. Creamy banana avocado, stage 1. 1/2 banana plus 1/4 avocado plus a splash of water. Blend until silky smooth. Sweet potato and chicken, stage 2. Steamed sweet potato plus cooked chicken plus a little broth. Perfect for growing appetites. Berry yogurt mash, stage 3. Mixed berries plus plain yogurt. Pulse for a tasty toddler snack. See how easy that was? And way healthier than store-bought jars. Now, let's talk storage. Here's how to keep food fresh. Fridge, use the date-dial cups, lasts 2 to 3 days. Freezer, pour into the silicone tray, lasts up to 3 months. Quick thawing, pop a cube in the fridge overnight or warm gently. No more wasted food, just grab, thaw, and serve. Cleaning up is a breeze. Just rinse the blades and toss the cups in the dishwasher. Done! And that's it, friends. The NutriBullet Baby Blender makes feeding your little one easier, healthier, and cheaper. So if you want to buy, click the link in the description below. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe.